Now, as you see our tomatoes around, we also did a raised garden this year, and we just took some old feed tanks, some watering tanks that you can get at any farm store. We have so many around here. We've kind of slimmed back on the number of farm animals that we have now. So we took some of these wonderful pieces of galvanized steel and turned it into a raised garden. What we did is basically took that, drilled holes in the bottom. Here's some pictures to show you how we went along. Drilled holes in the bottom. We also painted the outside of that. I should say Nikki painted the outside of it because she's quite the painter.
Wanted them to look pretty.
The bottom level, you can use gravel or pea rocks, whatever you want to do. So for drainage, you want to put landscaping paper over the top of that rock because you don't want the dirt getting caught up on that. Over top of that, you put some cedar shavings. On top of that, we put some organic dirt. And then we planted whatever we wanted. We got tomatoes, we've got cucumbers, we've got peppers that we're making tonight. We'll give you a quick recipe on making banana ring peppers. You want to do that so they don't get real mushy. And look at the pictures of what we're growing out here. It's absolutely wonderful.